Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to share with you my May Ipsy Unbagging. So if you want to find out with me what's going to be in my Ipsy bag for May, then just keep on watching. Alright, so let's see. The theme of the brush, and I already see one thing that's outside, but the bag is like a travel theme. Yes, so it has like passport stamps on it. I need to get my passport renewed. Totally just remembered that. So I need to set a reminder to do that on my phone because I need to do that ASAP. But anyways, the theme for the month is called Go There. So yes, it's like a travel theme. And the one thing that was outside of the bag is an eyeshadow brush, which I always like getting in my bags. I use like every eyeshadow brush that I use is probably from an Ipsy bag that I use on a daily basis. And this is just like a flat shader brush and it has like little diamonds on it. Oh, it's SL Miss Glam. Of course, anytime that it's like super cute, it's SL Miss Glam, and her brushes are really awesome. Every brush I have from her is from my Ipsy bag, so definitely love those. I use them all the time. All right, so next up we have, this is such a baby little sample, and of course it's a skincare sample, so it's gonna like last me a week maybe. The brand is called AKAR Skin, a car maybe. It's a nutrient boost eye serum. Of course, I love getting eye products. Oh my gosh, this is so tiny. That's gonna be enough for like one eyeball. Okay, so this is an eye serum. I'm gonna use this up by like this weekend. This is such a baby little sample. I've never heard of this brand though. I haven't heard of this brand, but this is such a tiny serum. Like, I know we get little skincare samples, but that is very, very small. So I don't know how you can make samples that mini. All right, so let's see what's next because everything else doesn't look as tiny, which is a good thing. And this is from Nomad. It's called La Habana, and it says Intense Eyeshadow. So it's a single shadow. I think we've gotten this brand in Ipsy before. All right, so this is actually a really pretty shade. It's like a copper color. And yeah, it's just an eyeshadow, single shadow. It feels so creamy, really pigmented. Every time I get a single shadow in my Ipsy bags, I feel like they're always like a really nice formula, super pigmented, actual colors that I would wear. Like, I think my entire single shadow collection is just like random shadows that I get in Ipsy. So I'm always happy every time I get something that's actually a color I would wear and not like neon yellow or something. Okay, so next we have a product from Trestique, and they always have, all of their products kind of look like this. Like, it looks like a pencil and then something inside. So I guess this is like a clear lip balm. Oh no, not a lip balm at all. This is a mini matte blur stick, so kind of like the Milk blur stick. That's actually really cool. That's actually a lot more exciting to me than a lip balm. So it's clear, so you guys aren't able to tell at all, but it basically feels like a really sleek like primer. It's super lightweight. That actually makes me really excited because I definitely thought it was just like a lip balm, just like an extra kind of lip product that I didn't really need, but I'm excited to try that because we don't really get primers. Sometimes we get like little mini primers, but this actually looks like it's a decent size if I like twist it up. I don't want it to like break off, but I feel like you do get a decent amount of product in here. And I've actually seen this brand at Sephora. I think they came into Sephora like recently. I always see it in the end caps. They have like lip products and everything just looks like a little pencil. And then lastly, we have the Dead Sea Mud Mask. I've never heard of this brand. It says Deep Skin Cleanser, but I'm actually really happy this is a mud mask because when I saw it in my bag, I just thought it was like a giant hand cream, and I'm like, why am I getting such random things this month and not like actual like makeup and skincare products I'm gonna use? All right, so I don't know why I decided to squirt this out on my hand. I don't know how helpful that is, but I was really curious about it. But this is what it looks like. It's probably just like a regular mud mask that's gonna dry down. You leave on for like 20 minutes. So that's actually exciting because I totally thought it was gonna be a hand cream, and I was like a little underwhelmed when I first saw it, but I was happy that it was a mud mask because this is way bigger than my other skincare sample that I got in my bag this month. But that's everything for my bag. Honestly, the only thing I'm really gonna use, I mean, I'll use all of it, but I just like getting my eyeshadow brushes. This one's really cute and I'm definitely gonna use it. The primer is something I'll definitely use too. I didn't know that they made primers, and I was so happy this was not a lip balm, even though it looked like it. But I think that's pretty cool because I have not tried that out. And then this is so underwhelming and so tiny, but it's almost like entertaining to me that it's that small. The eyeshadow, I'm always okay with the eyeshadow singles. It's not anything like I need in my collection. I always prefer palettes in general, but whenever I get colors that I can actually wear and are like my favorite go-to kind of colors, I'm happy, so I will wear that. And then we have the mud mask, which I will use as well. So I'm gonna use everything, nothing that's not like in my color scheme or anything like that, but really just the brush is the only thing that's like worth it to me this month. But that is everything that I got in my bag for this month. Definitely let me know what you guys got in your bags in the comments down below. I didn't see any other spoilers, so I really am curious this month to see if you guys got like completely different products, so let me know that in the comments. And if you guys like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll talk to you guys soon in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.